Hi, and welcome to Hello Talk with Dale. It is a beautiful day. I know some of you live in a country where you have spring and summer, and some of you live in a country where you have 4 seasons. Where I am, we have 4 seasons, and this is the season of spring, which everyone is looking forward to. Some warmer weather, some beautiful flowers, and the trees to start budding forth from that gray, dead, wintry appearance. I am glad that you have joined me today. I hope that everything is well with you and your family. My family is doing well. It is a blessing to be able just to live life. Even though we have our trials and tribulations, we can still find a way to see some good things. So I hope, no matter how bad your situation may be, that you look for good things. That's why my favorite saying, which I will probably say in every video, is have a great day in spite of what comes your way. We often cannot control the things that try to anger us and frustrate us and ruin our day. But the beauty of it, if we can keep it on the outside, of our minds, hearts, and souls, then we can have a good day. We all have to become solutionists and try to figure out a way to make things better. I believe that's a key to happiness, is looking for ways and avenues that can make life better. Now, some people choose to be bitter and upset all the time. You and I must realize that's their choice, not mine. My choice is to be happy, to feel good, to try to do the right thing. I am very blessed to have many good things in life, and I thank God for His mercy and grace. So my wish is for you today, as you watch this video, that you will find that pathway to feeling God's grace and mercy and goodness, helping you to overcome the negative things in this world. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you've enjoyed the beautiful blue skies, and I will let you go and talk to you later. Bye.